Hello again. This beautiful song, Nancy Spain, was written by Barney Rush, but it will always be associated, of course, with the great Christy Moore. If you like this lesson or get something from it, maybe consider giving it a thumbs up and a share and subscribe maybe. I have over 160 lessons on songs and tunes popular in Ireland over on the website getcrackingguitar.com. So check it out and see what you think. Now, I'm playing it in the key of G. We just have the three major chords. It's a very easy song to play along with, a very mellow song, so we're finger picking it. We have the G major chord. We also have the C major chord and the D major chord. I've suggested two additional chords in the chorus. I suggested playing the A minor 7 chord. So we have first finger on the second string and second finger on the fourth string, second fret. So that's A minor 7. And from there, I'm playing that instead of the C. And the other chord that I'm suggesting is it's a G add 6 chord is what I would call it, I suppose. And what I'm doing here is, now when your finger, it sounds a bit discordant there, but when you're finger picking it, again it mightn't be something you want to use, but again it's no harm to try it. So this chord is played as follows, fretting the 5th string here with my second finger, 5th string 2nd fret, and my little finger pinky I am playing the 2nd string 3rd fret. You can use different fingering for that, it doesn't really matter, but that fits into the pattern of the chord changes. Again, like I said, instead of those you can play the C and the G. I'll include both versions in the chord prompts and at the end of the video. I have another version of the song recorded previously, and that was a strumming version. Some people like to play it a little bit faster, a little bit more volume, but in this instance it's a very mellow song, so I'm just using a finger picking pattern. Again, it's a common finger picking pattern for a 4/4 time that I've used throughout the series, and again it's as follows: 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So I'm using an alternate bass picked out with my thumb on the 1 beat, and then I'm picking the 3rd beat with my thumb also, where my fingers pick the same pattern throughout, and that pattern is 2nd string, 3rd string, 1st string, 2nd string, 2nd finger, 3rd string, 1st finger, 1st string, 3rd finger. So it's 1 and 2 and. Now my thumb picks the alternate bass for the 3 beat, 3 and 4 and. Similarly for the C major chord, the alternate notes for the bass are going to be the 5th, which is the root note, and the 4th, so they're being picked by my thumb. So again, just look at the pattern. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. And for the D major chord, my thumb is going to pick the root note for the 1, which is the 4th string, 4th string open as it is, 1 and 2 and alternate that with the 5th string, 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So as you can see, it's a very, very simple mellow song to play. Now for those two additional chords, if you want to use them, the alternative chords, for the A minor 7 you would pick the 5th and the 4th with your thumb. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and for that G6 chord, same with my thumb, 5th and 4th again. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. When you run those two chords together, and they will culminate with the D chord, so it'll sound as follows.